Welcome to a brand new module. Regular expressions, often abbreviated as regex or regex. This is a powerful and valuable topic in programming. Regular expressions provide a concise language for specifying patterns in text, allowing you to find, replace, or extract complex data in a robust way. 1. Why use regular expressions? Imagine you need to validate if a string is a valid email address, find all phone numbers in a 1,000-page document, or extract all href links from a web page. Doing this with standard Python string methods like find or split is complicated and error-prone. Regular expressions handle these complex pattern searches with a single specialized pattern string. 2. Python's real module. Python implements regular expressions using the built-in RE module. We must import this module to gain access to its powerful functions. The 4 core functions we will focus on are search, find all, match, and sub or substitute. Each of these functions allows you to apply a pattern to a string in a different way. 3. The raw string prefix, R. Regular expressions rely heavily on the backslash for special meaning. In Python, the backslash itself is also an escape character. This causes annoying conflicts. To solve this, always use the raw string prefix, R, before your pattern string, like our quote \D3. This tells Python to treat backslashes literally, ensuring your regex patterns are interpreted correctly. To summarize, regex is essential for text processing. Our next lecture 24.02, Sequence Characters. See you there.